Characteristic of Blacktraction Rsb: to clean, renew and protect the white plastic stained, not just stairs or table, but for cash register, united of conditioner, inside or outside. Clean and after protect, absorb dirty, and it's renewable. We take the product with an iron sponge or with an abrasive sponge. We put on the side we want to renew. We wait any moment the product work, and after we make more pressure to take off the dirty absorbed. Asportiamo lo sporco che è fuoriuscito e che si era solidificato and after we clean, the dirty come out. Just a little bit of product each time. The product work. More is hot material to clean, and more it's elevate the effect of the product, and it's too easy to obtain a good result. Always a little bit of product each time. We'll wait a moment, it's working. Andiamo a togliere lo sporco. The product is not corrosive, it is very clean and protected, and when the effect is finished, you can renew it very easily and fast with a long time duration of effect, and not expensive like the substitution of the pieces. Immediately the finish is waterproof and dry to touch. Thank you.